Today we are at Academica Training Institute in our head office and graduation day. Please welcome our special guest, Mr. Gech. Please, Mr. Gech, introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Getish. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm graduated from Academica Institute Training Center by Customer Airport Service. I am proud to graduate by Airport Customer Service, and I recommend to my friends and my families to join with us and learn here by customer service, especially by aviation industry. If you are a graduate by aviation industry, you can get so many opportunities, especially in Dubai and all over the world. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Mr. Gech, please share with us your upcoming career plans. Where do you see yourself in the aviation?
Thank you. I see myself for the next, even after 1 month, I need to see myself in, especially in aviation, in cargo,
Yes.
in cargo and the logistics service. I have a few experience about this, and I need to update my career also.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.